The race in the business is on. Around the world, industrial projects are getting larger and larger. Taller office buildings, larger stadiums, longer pipelines, bigger oil tankers are constantly being built. At the same time, quality standards are becoming more and more demanding and timetables tighter. How can the owner or investor of a large project be sure that all those thousands of welds in the whole massive project meet the requirements? There is a long chain between a weld and the owner. Let's say you own a football stadium. Sounds a dream come true, doesn't it? But imagine the responsibilities you'd have. Would you be able to sleep at night knowing there are thousands and thousands of welds holding the construction together? And it is the same situation in every business field and industry. Whether we are talking about paper mills, ships, or offshore rigs, structure parts are welded all around the world by several contractors, dozens of subcontractors, and hundreds of welders. Isn't it impossible to make sure that every weld will hold up? Isn't it impossible to know what's inside every weld? Not at all. Actually, it's quite easy. All you need to do is demand that whenever welding is required, Kemppi ARC System 3 is used. For the first time in history, you can get all the necessary data of the whole welding process, all monitored, all documented, all controlled with one single total solution. With Kemppi ARC System 3, every weld is traceable. This applies to the welders, their qualifications, welding procedures, and all settings and hardware used. Traceability is valuable, especially if the worst-case scenario ever happens. What if there was a leak in the underwater oil pipeline that was built years ago? Investigations show that defective filler was used in the leaking weld. With Kemppi ARC System 3, you would know exactly which seams were welded with this flawed filler. You'd fix them and prevent the damages with a reasonable effort. With Kemppi ARC System 3, everyone involved will know everything essential, including the owners and end users, the constructors, subcontractors, welding companies, weld engineers, welders, and inspection bodies. Owners and purchasers know you run a quality operation and sustain your reputation. Safety issues are under control. Every weld is 100% traceable afterwards. Every contractor and all their welders follow the welding procedure. Main contractors know you can meet all purchasers' quality requirements. EN 1090 and other standards are followed and all regulations are met. You have control over total welding production and quality. You gain competitive edge and EBIT growth with improved quality and decreased lead time. Multi-site management dramatically decreases the need of quality audits. Welding production is fully traceable and the subcontractor network is under control. Welding production companies know you can meet all main contractors' quality requirements. Data collection, data analysis, reporting, and documentation are automatized. WPSs, deviations, and NDT inspections are all in one system. Multi-site managing saves costs and improves total quality. All their welders have correct and up-to-date qualifications. Each welder follows the welding procedure. Risks for welding defects are minimal. Kemppi ARC System 3 is not just one fixed software product. It's a modular system, a flexible toolbox that will always adapt to a user's needs. It's part of TWXM, Total Welding X Management. And what does the X stand for? That's for you to decide. There's TWQM for Total Welding Quality Management, and TWPM for Total Welding Productivity Management, and several others to choose and even more to come in the future, always tailored to our customers' needs. The modules for Kemppi ARC System 3 are software products that remarkably improve welding management and therefore lead to welding production excellence. All the ARC modules work seamlessly together. Just select the ones you need. With Kemppi ARC System 3, the new total solution, Kemppi is setting new standards for the industry. Again, it's time now to stop guessing and start knowing.